Rodrigo plays his 50th game in the competition, and Thibaut Courtois. Eric Dyer's journey's taken him from the Spurs reserves to a Champions League semi-final, and Serge Gnabry's back on the bench, his first involvement since the quarter-final first leg. Nacho of Real Madrid and Manuel Neuer, and Clement Turpin of France is the referee. He was in charge the last time Real Madrid won the Champions League in 2022. Early touch, Vasquez deputising tonight for the suspended Dani Carvajal. Are needed out there, and here they come for the first time, and that's a big save from Lunin to deny Leroy Sané. A player who's not scored. Played on there by Goretzka, but he can't find Sané, and this is going to be Musiala can burst through for the first time and get it back again, and that's on to Musiala. And then Valverde read the danger well there to get across and make that challenge on Joshua Kimmich. Hanged it in there towards Eric Dyer, and the big Dyer. Goretzka then challenged in there by Valverde, and that's a free kick to Real Madrid. Harry Kane, first little half chance. Sané running in again, and the angle this time was tight, and he blazes the shot over the bar. Harry Kane just dropped into that bucket to set the Bayern number 10 away. European football. Oh yes. Maybe challenged by Musiala. Kane's gone for goal from a mile away, and it didn't quite come down quickly enough, and Lunin. They look. Harry Kane. Header from Toni Kroos. Pulled back now to Musiala. Shooting chance and over. It's 3 times though inside the opening 12 minutes that they've had a chance. Joshua Kimmich floats it in. Toni Kroos floated in by Lima, and it was Thomas Muller trying to reach it. Jamal Musiala, he's going to shoot and track that to Fede Valverde. Jude Bellingham had it nicked away there by Kane over a possession. Yeah. Kane put it straight in, it was the right thing to do. Mendy out there from left back, but given away. Rodrigo. And it's just taking everything in. He cuts Vasquez. Sané, now Kane. Sané finding Goretzka. Vinicius Junior has to be better than Vinicius Junior. Been told to get back up by the referee. Twice he tried to go down. The secondly ball by Kroos. Vinicius Junior running through and scoring. And it's the 14 times European champions who strike first in the semi-final. And the man who won the trophy for them back in 2022, Vinicius Junior, pouncing on the through ball, sending it past Manuel Neuer, and despite... Once again, Valverde this time looking for Bellingham, and the response with Musiala, and he hits it straight. Muller. Sané trying to get it through. There was contact there with Rudiger, but Clementon... That's Raoul's ball. Here's Muller, goes ball to Lucas Vasquez from Valverde, but then given away by Muller. There's Sané. Not quite got that zip about them in the Bayern Munich.
Yeah, he actually used his body well, didn't he?
Space here for Musiala. He's got time to work out what he's going to do. Slips it through here to Leroy Sané. It's the cross. Goretzka with a chance. That's... Crowd are doing... Kroos looking for his captain. Nacho delivers the cross. Vinicius Junior's cross, and that's blocked behind for the corner off Kimmich.
Yeah.
Good punch. Goretzka forward then by Bellingham, and across there for Baryen goes Kim. It's good defending by Rodrigo. They'll get the corner, but stuck to his tail. And then coming in at Leverkusen, Roma and Marseille, Atalanta. All to come in Europe this week. This has been relatively plain sailing for Real Madrid, Steve. I would have expected that. Musiala on the move, gliding through. He's going to get the free kick as well. Nacho might well have been the Real Madrid player to catch him. It's Harry Kane! Oh, that whistles past.
Yeah, it's way wide.
And Bellingham's going to try and get in behind Mazraoui. Now, did he get any of the ball? He didn't.
Well, he didn't, did he? It's just where it was, and it was the edge of the box. I think he was fortunate, Mazraoui. He was always losing that.
He is going to go for it. That flicks off the wall. It might well have been Kane and spins behind for the corner. Close to Valverde. Changes the angle slightly.
First 25 minutes, shift the ball a bit quicker and have a little bit more pace.
They'll have to rediscover that early spark or risk in place of Leon Goretzka. Forward by Liars out there having this competition. Running into the box is Vinicius Junior. It's pulled back towards Bellingham and tidied up there by Lives League tonight. I just wonder at what stage Thomas Tuchel sends on Serge Gnabry, because it's Eric Dyer. Here's Toni Kroos. Saved by Neuer.
Good save.
Plenty of power and pace on the shot.
Also got a deflection.
Great pace too, and burst. Sane running in, shooting. Oh, brilliant! Well, he hasn't scored a goal of any description since October the 28th. And he's just burst into the Real Madrid penalty area and smashed it past the goalkeeper. Just like that, Sane gets them back into this semi-final. Musiala. Oh, down he goes, penalty, it is! Jamal Musiala jumps up to celebrate. Clement Turpin in no doubt whatsoever. Here comes the England captain with a stutter step and the clinical penalty. And Bayern Munich get themselves in front in the semi-final. That's 29 Champions League goals for Harry Kane, and he joins Edin Dzeko, Roy Mackay, David Trezeguet and Patrick. Across comes Rudiger, over goes Harry Kane, and this time no penalty. Lovely feet from Rodrigo, great burst as well. Running on for a second go, and it's cleared away by Lima, cleared as far as Rod. Such good balance, Musiala. Camavinga leaning on him, free kick. Ball, and here come Baryen, and it goes to Kane, it nearly, oh, it's just gone wide. It was spinning all over the place. It's going to be a corner. It must have been agonising for Muller to watch as well, because Eric Dyer jumping again. Crossed that front post, didn't they?
Hit the front man, it was poor actually.
Gets it through here towards Rodrigo, down he goes!
Okay.
Penalty! Will he ever learn his lesson, Kim, against the great Manuel Neuer? Little stutter step and a clinical penalty drilled into the back of the net by Vinicius Junior. And the Bayern Munich lead wiped out with 7 minutes to go. Bayern 2, Real Madrid 2. And this is turning into the semi-final we thought it would.
Yeah, volunteer.